Hi friends, today I will learn about Madhubani arts. No? Every position, every place or everything have its own importance and everything is famous for something. In this way, this Madhubani is or Bihar is famous for Madhubani arts. है So this art is initially painted on the walls in the village area, and this is the art of village or villagers, and now it is spread from village to town and from capital to abroad, that is all over the world. Now it is famous and many courses are also running for spreading this art. So I have taken this chapter from the class 6 lesson 8. Here one of the things Bihar is famous for is its Madhubani paintings. These paintings are generally seen on walls, papers, clothes, decorative pots and wood. Till about 50-60 years ago, it was used for decorating the house walls in the villages. In the last 50 years, village artists have started painting on paper and clothes. They now paint on saris, dupatta, rumals, tablecloths, wood, pots, and other bases. The raw materials used for artists for these paintings are colored from natural colors made by flowers and other natural materials, but on walls and cloth they use fabric colors. Right? Now the themes of these paintings are natural sense of the villages, flora and fauna, or from religion. Many of the Madhubani people depend on this art for their living. There have been many great artists who have participated both in the national and international programs. Many of the artists are women. Some of the artists are household names in their region and considered to be exceptional at the national forums as well. At present, many centers conduct training programs on Madhubani paintings. Many people other than village artists are also take keen interest in this traditional art. However, in the villages, children as young as 5 years old learn this art with their mothers. This is cottage industry also, and traditional industry one may say. It means anything the quality we are possessing need to develop with technology and spread it all over the world for the welfare of mankind. Thank you for listening, and I will be appear in next video very soon. Thank you.